Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a bunch of work, starting by replacing this leaking generator. As you can see, this generator is in really horrendous condition. It's completely rusted all the way through. As you can see from here, it's just completely disintegrating. It was leaking all over the place previously, and there's so much corrosion everywhere on this generator, as you can see it here. It made a huge mess inside, especially around the generator part and where it actually sits in there. So we replaced that, and we deep cleaned everything inside as well to make sure there's no any rust or anything. We polished some of the screws that were rusted from here, and some of them from here as well. We polished them up, removed some of that rust, and yeah, that's the main issue. That's the main part that we replaced on this machine. We also gave this machine a tune-up, replacing the brew unit of the machine, the one that you see right here, and this came the machine. This came the machine, deep clean around it, deep clean the door as well. We also deep clean everything in here, remove all the coffee buildup as well from the inside of the machine. So yeah, we did a bit of work on this machine. And starting out with one short coffee, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna be using some hot water, and yeah. As you can hear and see, things are running correctly, following to the tunnel over here, going into the brew unit, where the brew unit basically expands, and it will just fill up this little pocket. Then it will just go all the way to the generator and compress it, basically like this, and then you will be able to get the coffee. So this is how it looks like inside. This is how it makes coffee. And this part that was making, this part was just leaking all over the place whenever it was trying to make coffee. But now, as you can see, nice and beautiful cup of coffee coming out of the machine. Hot water, as you can see. It's a nice steady stream coming out of the one. Perfect temperature. Working excellent. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. We have a rusted generator on top. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.